Hello everyone, this is Luis and welcome back to my grateful channel. No. So we're here at Bulalo Capital. Dito kami magla-lunch for today. So let's see. Pakakapal ng fog ngayong araw. Loko. So, ayan. Punta muna kami sa ayun. sa Sicilia Buko Pie para bumili ng pang-merienda mamaya. So, makikita nyo is napaka-foggy and yun nga, malamig siya. So, tara, samahan nyo kami. Yeah. Okay, balik na tayo and let's have lunch na. Whew, palang fog. So ayun, we're currently here kung saan ito kasi naisipang mag-photoshoot ng pinsan ko for debut niya. Ito kami ngayon sa The Forest Barn. Napaka-relaxing ng place and sobrang peaceful. Itutour ko kayo sa buong vicinity ng Forest Barn. So, with further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's go! Ayan, dito yung sa labas niya. Makita niyo yung The Forest Barn there. Ayun. Then, ang entrance niya ay dito. Ayan. So, pagpasok niyo pa lang, makita niyo na entrance and the office kung saan kayo magre-register. And kapag nakapagsulat na kayo ng information, then, yun, pwede na kayo pumasok sa whole vicinity ng lugar na ito. Well, as you can see, meron ditong paalala. Sabi, The Forest Barn, Ocean Falling Fruits. Hala, sobrang more than 100 trees kasi yung nandito. So, hindi talaga maiiwasan yung pag-fall ng mga prutas. I guess, mahogan itong mga trees na to kasi sobrang nagtataasan. Pero super ganda ng view. Tingnan ninyo. So, as you can see, Dito ako ngayon sa parang hallway ng mahoganies. And maraming ginaganap na shoot dito like weddings, parties, and everything. And after that, meron nga sila doon ng parang I think it's not parang hall, parang pwede kayong ikasal doon. So, nag-check ako sa Facebook page nila and I found out na madami talaga silang events na ginagawa dito, especially shooting, kasi ang dami mga gandang spots. For example, ito, yung nilalakaran ko ngayon, napakaganda niya, and look. Diba? Galing, and it's really peaceful here. And, nakakaantok. Look at this one. It's the Forest Barn. Cute, oh. Parang, it is a function hall nila. And I guess dito nila ginagawa yung mga big events. Yeah. So, ito yung lugar na sinasabi ko sa inyo na yung parang tinan mo, para siyang aisle sa counterpart ng simbahan. Parang siyang merong, yeah, look, this one. Look at this one. Tingnan nyo. Super nice ng lugar na ito. And, yeah, sabi ko nga nakaka-relax. Kasi kami lang naman yung tao. So, yeah. Tingnan nyo to. Oh, parang pwede kang mag-weddings dito and everything. Ito yung mga upuan. Oh. Ito yung mga upuan. And dito, pwede sa gitna yung pinaka, like, wedding, yun nga, yung kasal. I think debut pwede rin siguro dito. So they have, yeah, the pref room, bridal, and guest room over there. So yan. Hindi ako pwedeng makapunta ngayon sa room dahil inaayusan pa ang aking pinsan para sa kanilang shoot. So ang bala ko mamaya, magpapakita lang ako ng mga snippets ng shoots nila. And the moment I uploaded this video, tapos na siyang mag-post sa kanyang Facebook. So yes, and let's see kung anong maging result ng mga shoot ng aking pinsan na si Erica. Okay. Just an update, Erica is currently on a shoot on, I think, pangalawa pa lang. Pangalawang shoot niya for this day, so I don't know if meron pa. Pero I think marami pa siya kasing dalang damit so maraming palitan pa to. So, ayun, maganda naman dito sa place and napaka-peaceful and quiet. It's really a great time for me to reflect on things, and sometimes we just need a break for everything in life. Wala namang masamang mag-rest. So, I encourage you, if you have an anxiety or you're sad or tired of doing things, just always choose to have rest. If you feel like you need a break from everything in life, just take a break, and you just need one rest for you to be recharged so that you may be able to think your mind will be refreshed, and everything that you will do after that rest is, I think, maging productive lahat. So I guess I will end my vlog here. So, ilalink ko sa description box yung kanilang Facebook page for more inquiries. And I think that is it. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, this is Grateful Luis, and I'm continually reminding you for always be grateful every day in every way. God bless you all. See you on the next vlog. Bye!